beneath the whisper of the morning dew, in a garden where sunlight softly spills upon the humble beans plant, a quiet muse, there unfolds a tale of earth and will. In the first blush of dawn's embrace, tiny seeds with dreams so bold lie hidden in the fertile space, whispering secrets of ages untold. They speak of journeys from distant lands, carried on wings of ancient lore, where earth and sky hold gentle hands. And each new sprout is a promise to explore. The beans plant, a green thread in nature's weave, climbs towards the heavens with tender might. Its leaves like pages of a tale to conceive, each one an ode to the cycle of light. Each one an ode to the cycle of light. Oh, how the vines twist and twirls. A ballet of nature in slow, graceful dance. In every tendril, a story unfurls, a mystery, a wonder caught in a glance. Listen, the rustle of leaves is like a soft rhyme, a symphony of growth in the silent morn, where each droplet on the leaf's brim reflects the promise of life reborn. In the heart of the garden, amidst the vibrant green, the beans plant stands as a sentinel of hope, resilient and modest, quietly serene, teaching us that even the smallest can help us to hope. It climbs, it stretches, reaching for the sky, a reminder that from humble roots we arise. In the warmth of the sun, where dreams can lie, there is beauty in every sunrise. Imagine the earth, rich and warm, cradling each tender sprout with care. A nurturing embrace in the face of the storm, where every leaf whispers a silent prayer. Beneath its tendrils, secret lies deep. Echoes of ancient rains and whispered lore. A secret of life that the wind softly keeps, a pattern, an anthem of nature that we can't ignore. As you listen to this gentle ode, let your heart attune to nature's refrain, where the beans plant in its winding road teaches resilience, joy, and the beauty of pain. In every twist, in every leaf unfurled, there lies a verse of nature's endless rhyme, a celebration of simple, wondrous world where life renews with every passing time. The sun climbs higher, casting its golden glow on the beans plant, adorned in nature's dress, a portrait of life in its ebb and flow. A lesson in the art of quiet finesse. Consider the soil, a tapestry of old and new, where the earth cradles seed in its silent embrace, nurturing dreams that bloom into you so true. In every being, a universe finds its space. And so, the beans plant whispers to the wind of journeys long, of moments sweet and rare, of the quiet strength that lies within, a tribute to growth, nurtured with tender care. Each pulse of life, each drop of rain, echoes the heartbeat of the vast wild earth. A promise that despite all sorrows or pain, every ending is but the birth of new worth. In the garden of time where the seasons turn, the beans plant stands a quiet, humble guide, reminding us to cherish, to learn, that in every cycle, hope is always by our side. So as you listen to this song of grief, may you find solace in its gentle, growing art. A reminder that in every humble scene lies the eternal rhythm of a brave, beating heart. Let these verses be the gentle rain that nourishes the spirit, soft and slow. And may the beans plant quietly refrain, inspire you to let your inner garden grow in the warmth of the sun and the hush of the night, where earth and sky meet in a tender embrace. Know that every bean holds a spark of light, a timeless story of nature's quiet grace. May this poetic journey linger in your soul like the lasting bloom of a bean plant's art, a celebration of life, complete and whole, a melody that whispers, grow, grow, grow. And that's the end of our beans poem. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, like, share, drop a comment, subscribe. I've dropped the whole poem in the comment section. You can go read it. Thank you very much. God bless you. Basibe.